In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a screen where you can place a video or an image in the background of any device inside CreateStudio. So the first thing you want to do is grab your device. So I've got an iPad for this one, and you can use, a mobile phone or a MacBook or a desktop computer, whatever device you like. Then click on the shape tool and select the rectangle tool. And you basically want to draw out by holding down shift and dragging the corner to draw out your screen size. And then just drag it below the device. And I can call this one screen, like so. And then what you want to do is basically grab some media. So I've got a video clip here. I'm going to drag it onto the canvas and just kind of resize it a little bit. And just drag it underneath the device and so on top of the screen. And then all I'm going to do is right click on it and go mask with screen. Okay, and now you can see that I've got my video playing inside my iPad screen, and I did it really quickly inside CreateStudio.